We are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as authentic. You do want to stress on the second syllable, the thin syllable, authentic, authentic. In American English, however, this is usually said as authentic, authentic, authentic in American English versus authentic in British English. Did you get it? Does this make sense? Did you get the difference? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.